The dangers of pets and pennies, zinc toxicosis. As pet owners, we are diligent about keeping dangers out of our pets' mouths. This includes chocolate, onions, electrical cords, and strings. So what makes the unassuming penny so dangerous? If your pet swallows a penny, you might worry about GI upset, obstruction, or choking, all of which are valid and possible concerns. But what really makes a penny dangerous and potentially deadly lies under its shiny copper exterior. In 1982, pennies began being minted with a zinc core covered by copper plating. This core contains approximately 2,440 milligrams of elemental zinc. It is this zinc core which makes pennies more dangerous than other types of coins when it comes to ingestions. When an animal ingests pennies, it travels to the stomach. Keep in mind the stomach is an acidic environment. The low pH of the stomach acid eats through the copper plating, causing a rapid release of zinc. Factors like food are ingested in the stomach's natural pH of that particular animal, and the length of time the pennies sit in the stomach can all affect the penny's zinc release rate. This free zinc then forms into zinc salts. Zinc salts are caustic and can irritate and damage the stomach and intestine's mucosa. These salts make their way out of the stomach and into the duodenum. The duodenum is the first section of the small intestines. Here the zinc salts are absorbed and travel to the liver, kidneys, bones, muscles, prostate, and pancreas. It is this multi-organ distribution where the zinc wreaks havoc. Accumulation in the pancreas results in pancreatitis, which is the inflammation of the pancreas, and pancreatic necrosis, which is death of pancreatic cells. In the kidneys, glomerular damage and renal tubular epithelial necrosis can occur. The glomerulus is a vital capillary structure of the kidneys that is responsible for filtering blood to remove waste products that in turn gets turned into and excreted as urine. Renal tubular epithelial necrosis is death of the epithelial cells of the renal tubules. These tubules are responsible for reabsorption of important substances like electrolytes, calcium, magnesium, glucose, bicarbonate, amino acids, and water, and the secretion of waste products like ammonia, potassium, and hydrogen. In the liver, the zinc can cause hepatocellular damage, which results in liver damage. In the bloodstream, the zinc can result in intravascular hemolysis, which is when the red blood cell membranes rupture. This results in anemia, which can quickly become severe enough to require blood transfusions. This multi-organ involvement can lead to multi-organ failure, disseminated intravascular coagulation, also known as DIC, and death. There is some good news, though. If caught relatively quickly, followed by prompt removal of the pennies, whether by endoscopy or surgical intervention, followed by supportive care involving IV fluids and GI protectants, pets typically have a good prognosis and can leave the hospital after a few days. So keep your pennies stashed away from your furry kids. That's my 2 cents. Thank you for taking the time to watch my video.